these are my top 5 vapor picks. All these blends only have Virginia and Perique components in them. And these are all excellent and no particular order they are in. Here we have the Solani Virginia Flake with Perique, blend 633. As you can see here, this is a very thin flake. It smokes very cool, very nice in a briar and a meerschaum. Here we have the King of Vapors, Escudo Navy Deluxe. This has been around since 1912. This is a coin cut. Very excellent vapor. It holds up to the hype, which a lot of tobaccos don't. Here we have Cornell and Deal Cajun Cake. This comes as a crumble cake. This is a 2-ounce block. There's 2 of them. This is made with red Virginia Cavendish and a good portion of Perique. Excellent, smooth, creamy smoke. Here we have Cornell and Deal Bayou Morning Flake. This blend is the typical Cornell and Deal flakes. They break up, as you can see. This has 25% Perique in it. It's a Perique bomb. Very smooth, creamy, and peppery. Here we have Samuel Gawith St. James Flake. As of late, this seems to be a hard to get blend, but hopefully you can find some. Very good. Perique comes from St. James Parish. As you can see, there is a lot of crystals on it.